Yeah, okay. Right. So this is the way it looks like. Okay. Right.
All right.
So
All right.
we will have this here, and then you will need to have a pen and a paper. Okay.
Hmm.
Right. So you need to have a pen and a paper. Okay.
Online, you mean?
No,
Online.
yourself. No, yourself.
All
You
right.
need something to work on.
All right.
Right. So you'll be writing there. Yeah, exactly. So you have the paper, you have a pen. Yes, good. So we'll go one by one. So let's look at this one here. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So all these questions, they want us to find the x, the value of x.
Yes.
Do you
But you
follow?
know, yes, I understand. But you
Yes.
know, we're going to start all from the beginning.
Yes, yes, yeah. This is just a testing. That's all. Okay.
Exactly. All right. All right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So this here, okay,
Uh-huh.
the box here, they want us to put in what x is. Okay. Now, one of the things that you have learned, which is similar to this, which we call them equations. Yeah. Can you see what I'm rounding? Yeah.
Yes. Fine.
Yeah. These are called equations. Now, this bit here is similar to seesaw. You have had seesaw. Remember seesaw?
Yes.
Yeah, so that game that we play as when we are children.
Yes.
Right. So the middle, right, where is the pole, where is the pivot. So you have one friend sitting on the other side, the other one sitting on the other side. Now, so if I draw here, right, so this is the way it is. So you have a pivot here in the middle. So
All
you sit here, you sit there. Okay. Now,
all right.
if our weights are equal, this pivot will just be straight. It means balancing. Do you follow?
Yes.
Yeah. So if we have to make this continue being balanced, is it what we put here must be equal in the same amount as what we put here. Therefore, there's not going to be any change at all.
Hmm.
But if you put more weight here, it means this one will go up, this one will go down. So this pivot is similar to this is equal to sign here. Do you follow?
Yes.
So this is
Yes.
equal to here is similar to this pivot, which means
Okay.
whatever we do to this side, we must do the same to this side. Exactly the same idea as the seesaw. Because we need to maintain that these things are going to be equal. In this sense here, is the weights will always be equal. If we add the same amount of weight here, we must add the same amount of weight here. If we subtract the same amount here, subtract the same amount of here, this will still stay balanced. Do you follow?
Yes.
Okay. So here, in order to find x, we need to divide this side by 2. Because
Yes.
2x, okay, if I divide by 2, 2 will cancel. So I have got only x. But because I have this sign here, it means whatever I do to this side, I must do the same to this side all the time. So if I've divided by 2 this side, I also need to divide by 2 to the other side. So this one was equal to 4, right? So therefore, I need to divide it by 2. So therefore, whatever I've done here, I've done it. I will do the same this side. So 2 here is going to be 1. 2 into 4 is going to be 2. Therefore, the answer here is 2.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's what the x value
All
is.
right.
Now you can check this.
All right.
Okay. Now, if this is x is 2, to check that it's correct, you have 2, and then wherever there's a space means multiply. Okay. So this space here means multiply. And then you're multiplying by 2. If I multiply 2 times 2, it's going to give me 4, which is the same as this slide here. Therefore, my answer is correct.
All right.
Do you follow?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So the same here. All right. So we divide by 2 here. We divide by 2 this side. And the 2 here cancels with this 2. And the 2 into 6 is a 3. Yeah. So therefore, the answer here is a 3. I can check 2 times 3 is 6, which is equal to that. So this side is equal to that, which is true.
All right.
Yeah. The same
Yeah.
here. I'm going to divide by 2. And I need to do the same this side by 2. Okay, so this cancels. Then I have got x. If I divide 2 into 8, I'm going to have 4. Yeah, which is true. Okay, 4 times 2 is going to be 8. So 8 equals 8.
Yes.
Easier,
All right.
yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so do these ones then. So on your paper there,
Okay.
just need to tell me what the answer is, okay?
2.
This one here,
Yes. D,
yeah,
2.
so you have divided by 3, yeah. You have divided by 3. So 3 times 2 is 6, so that's true, okay? So this is 2. Yes, next one.
3 as well.
Yeah, so this is going to be 3.
Oh.
3 times 3 is 9, okay?
That is 4.
Yeah, this is the 4. 4 times 3 is 12, that's true.
That's 5.
Yeah, this is the 5, okay?
That's 6.
Yeah, this is 6, because 6 times 3 is 18.
And that is I is 7.
Okay, so this is 7. Yeah, 7 times 3 is 21.
J is 8.
Yeah, 8. 8 times 3 is 24.
K is 9.
9. 9 times 3 is 27. Yes.
And L is 10.
10. Yes. 10 times 3 is 30.
M is 2.
Okay, yes. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. Yeah.
N is 3.
Yeah, 3. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12.
O is 4.
4. 4 times 4 is 16. Yes.
P is 2.
Yeah, 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Yes.
Q is 3.
Is the 3. So 3 times 3, 5 is 15. Yes.
R is 4.
Yeah, 4 times 5 is 20. Yes.
S is 3.
Yes, 3 times 6 is 18.
T is 4.
4. 4 times 6 is 24.
U is 5.
Yeah. You see how easy they are?
Oh, yes.
So this was just to test you so that you can see it does work. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem at all.
All right. You have any time today?
I can try to get time later on if you want.
It's good for me, yes.
Because I will have another student later on. I mean, in the
All
next few minutes. So, but I just wanted to show you that I don't need to be there. You can learn online because I've got students online, and it's not giving you videos and you learn. No. I actually tutor you, so we have to work through. If you can't get through the problem, I'll write it on the board. You'll be looking at it and say, "This is the way we need to do it. This is the way to do it." The advantage is that this is being recorded. So you're going to have in the next 24 hours, you're going to have a video exactly what we have been doing, what we have been discussing. So help you to revise.
All right, very good.
Yeah.
That's what I'd like, to have a recording of it.
Yes. Okay.
Tell me how do I print this? If I want to print what's on the screen
No, you can't print it. You can't print that. I have to email you.
All right.
Yeah, so you can't print this, but I can send you this paper. Then you'll be able to redo it yourself. But when you go to the recording itself, all these answers will be there. Because if I send this paper, these answers will be removed. They will not be there. Are you with me?
What was that?
Okay. Let me try again. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So if I send you this paper, are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah, if I send you this paper, these answers that we have written in them, they're not going to be there.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. But But when you go to the recording, these will be there.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. So all these answers we work through, they are going to be there because they are recorded.
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Will you send me a message later?
Yeah, you should get a message once I've found the space. I'll text you.
All right.
Okay. Yeah.
In the meantime, would you mind emailing me this sheet of paper? So I
yes,
want to print.
I'll email you next a few minutes. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
See you.
Yeah. I'll see you later. Okay. Right.
Thank you.
Okay.